Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Jasper AI. Join me as we dive into the world of Jasper AI, a state-of-the-art content creation tool designed to supercharge your writing. Jasper AI is a robust AI-powered writing assistant built for marketers, content creators, entrepreneurs, and anyone who needs top-tier content creation capabilities fast. Its key strength lies in its remarkable versatility. Whether you need compelling blog posts, engaging marketing copy, catchy social media captions, persuasive email campaigns, or even creative writing pieces like stories and scripts, Jasper has you covered. With a library of over 50 templates catering to diverse content needs, it's a comprehensive solution for professionals seeking scalable writing support. One of Jasper's most impressive features is its ability to generate natural-sounding, contextually relevant content. Simply provide some basic input, like a topic, desired tone, and key talking points, and Jasper will deliver high-quality output within seconds. For longer-form content, the Boss Mode feature empowers you to effortlessly combine commands with pre-built templates, giving you greater control and speed. Jasper's multilingual support, spanning over 25 languages, makes it a perfect choice for reaching global audiences. The user-friendly interface is intuitive and clearly designed to minimize the learning curve. Whether you're brainstorming fresh ideas, expanding existing text, or crafting something entirely new, Jasper adapts seamlessly to your workflow. And for those focused on SEO, Jasper integrates with Surfer SEO, helping to ensure your content ranks higher in search engine results. So, who is Jasper AI ideal for? It's a perfect fit for anyone juggling numerous projects or finding it challenging to maintain consistent content output. If you're a freelancer, agency, or small business owner, Jasper can save you valuable time and streamline your content creation process. However, it may not be the best choice for casual users seeking free writing tools, as Jasper is a premium product. Overall, Jasper delivers on its promises. It's fast, reliable, and brimming with features designed to simplify the often daunting task of content creation. If you're looking to scale your writing efforts without compromising quality, Jasper AI is definitely worth exploring. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information or to start your free trial today.